Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're in this bathroom a lot, but that's because we were doing our hair. So I am back with a hair video. As y'all can see, the hair needs something. So that's what we're about to do. We're about to do something to this head. So today I have this V-part wig from Junoda hair. So this is the hair freshly washed and air dried. This is a body wave texture. So this is what the hair looks like in its natural state, but we are gonna curl it today. So this is what the wig looks like on the inside. It has some combs, some clips. It also comes with the adjustable elastic band and then a adjustable strap and a comb in the back. And this V part has like this breathable mesh, so your hair isn't suffocating underneath this wig, and you're not overheating in this super hot weather, because I don't know where y'all are from or where you're at, but it's hot as hell here in Atlanta. So you gonna need something like this. So this is actually 22 inches. I'm not sure if I said that, but this one is 22 inches, 180% density. So we're gonna put this on so I can kind of see how much leave out I need to leave out. How much leave out I need to leave out. And I know I've seen some V-part wigs where people leave no leave out at all, and that is not my vibe. I need some hair out. You know, like if I'm gonna have a unit that allows me to have leave out, I'm gonna have some leave out, okay? Yeah, and that's just that on that. So I don't want to leave too much out because I don't think I need to, you know? So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. I think this will be like, okay, not too much, not too little. If I have to leave more out, let's hook this up. If I need to leave like more out, I'll do that. But this all I got for now, and then I'm just gonna kind of pull my hair back and pin it up with some bobby pins. Alright, so that's how we're gonna have this wig on. So I'm trying to see, okay, I'm gonna adjust this adjustable band a little bit so it can be a little more smooth. Alright, so we're gonna put this on like so. Oh wow, that's like perfect. Alright, like this. Make sure my hair is all under. Your girl need a braid down. That's what she need. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip these two clips here. Ouch. I got my ears pierced a couple months ago, and I literally keep hitting it. It's the most uncomfortable thing, honestly. The top is like lace, so it's very flat. Let me fix this because that was in the way. This is like perfect. Alright, so like I was saying, where the clips are, like the top, it's lace, so it's super flat. This is what the hair looks like. So if you wanted to wear this hair in its natural texture, it does have like a cute little slight wave. I like something a little more defined, but this is cute. But we're gonna curl this today. So this is what she looks like. This is 22 inches. 22 inches, 180% density. This is really, really nice. So we are gonna curl this hair today. And to curl the hair, I'm using this Remington Twist and Curl. I love this little curling iron, flat iron. I think you can use it to straighten your hair too, but I haven't used it to like straighten hair because like it twists and curl, like it's supposed to be used to twist and curl. So that's what we're gonna do. Like how it's shaped, it just helps you guide your hair into like a curl like this. Just real cute and easy. Like the curling iron really does all the work for you. So that's what our little twist and curl looks like. I don't know how I feel about that one. Let's do it again. I feel like it could be a little tighter, even though I'm not going for like a tight look, but I do want like a cute little wave. Okay, like that. Okay, so I'm done curling my hair, and this side always comes out better than this side. I don't know what it is. I don't even know. I was gonna say maybe because I'm right-handed, but I use my left hand. I don't know. So we're just gonna brush the curls out. So pretty, so bouncy. Okay, maybe I don't got too much bump. Like, they look totally different. That's funny. But, yeah, like, it's too tight. I feel like I could totally do like a flip over thing. I would like do something with my edges. And hairspray on these edges. looks like a flip over sew in. That's what it's giving right now. It's giving Ivy's cute little flip over moment. I love that. I can even put a headband on because that's how flat it is. If I wanted to wear it like to the back, I can do that because it's so flat. So I'm gonna put on this headband. My hair gets caught on my earring. Okay. Like, oh, this is cute. I need some sideburns though. Oh, this is cute. Okay, this is cute. And it's not like bulky in the front. You know, like some U parts and half wigs are like bulky. This is cute. This isn't bulky at all. Oh, I love this. This curl right here needs to like fall though. Okay, this is better than a headband wig because you at least get a little more versatility. Because this is all your hair in the front. This is cute. I love this. And it's like flat, as you can see. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. Yes, ma'am. So yeah, this is it. This concludes this video. I'll be sure to list all of Junoda's hair information in the description box for you guys, as well as a link to the hair that I'm wearing. I also have a coupon code for you guys, and I also link this headband. I got a pack of headbands from Amazon, so I'll just link the pack that I got. It comes with a bunch of different colors, and they're like really soft, super stretchy, and like thin, and they're wide, so you get like a good range, even if like you didn't want like any edges out. That gives like, I like a little bit of my hairline to peek through, so it look like it's mine, you know. But yeah, I'll be sure to link the headband, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.